Today we will continue nitric acid. So the reaction of 1% nitric acid with magnesium and manganese. At room temperature, 1% dilute HNO3 react with magnesium and manganese to form nitrates, and hydrogen gas evolve in both of the cases. So magnesium plus 2HNO3 give MgNO3 whole twice plus H2. Manganese plus HNO3 give manganese nitrate MnNO3 whole twice plus H2. Now what is aqua regia? A mixture of concentrated nitric acid of 1 volume with concentrated hydrochloric acid of 3 volume is known as aqua regia or royal water. Aqua regia is used to dissolve the metal like aurum, that means gold, and argentum, that means silver. Now, fuming of nitric acid. When concentrated nitric acid is distilled with little starch pale yellow colored, concentrated nitric acid is obtained. This acid known as fuming nitric acid. Now, identification of nitric acid. This part is very important. A simple solution is taken in the test tube. Little freshly prepared ferrous sulfate solution is added to it. Now concentrated H2SO4 added to the mix solution very slowly along with the side of the rest of the tube. Observation: we can see a brown ring appears in the junction of two layers of H2SO4 and nitric acid. So brown ring confirms that the presence of nitric acid. Reaction: FeSO4 plus H2SO4 plus HNO3 gives Fe2SO4 whole twice plus 4H2O plus NO. This NO again reacted FeSO4 and gives FeSO4NO, which forms the brown ring. Now we will start sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid, also known as oil of vitriol, for its greater utility, H2SO4 known as king of chemicals. Reaction of sulfuric acid. First, reaction with metals. We know with the reaction with metals, sulfuric acid made the metal sulfate and hydrogen gas, like Zn plus H2SO4 is equal to ZnSO4 plus H2. This is a displacement reaction where hydrogen is displaced by zinc and create zinc sulfate and hydrogen evolves. Also, in case of sodium, potassium, calcium, they do the same reaction. Now, reaction with metal oxide and hydroxide. With metal oxide and hydroxide, it gives us metal sulfate and water. So, calcium oxide plus H2SO4, CaSO4 plus H2O, Fe ferrous oxide plus H2SO4, FeSO ferrous sulfate plus H2O, sodium hydroxide plus H2SO4, sodium hydrogen sulfate or sodium bisulfate plus H2O, sodium hydroxide plus H2SO4 gives sodium sulfate Na2SO4 plus H2O. Now reaction with carbonates. With carbonate, it gives us metal sulfate, water and carbon dioxide. For example, sodium carbonate plus H2SO4, Na2CO3 plus H2SO4 gives sodium sulfate Na2SO4 plus H2O plus carbon dioxide. Or in case of calcium carbonate, it gives us calcium sulfate, H2O, water and carbon dioxide. That's all for today. Thank you for the class.